I'd have to say it's our SMARTPRINT Alpha technology. When we built that, the thought process was that people needed to have more defendable data. You have all this information about how your facility is performing and its cost, its labor, the risk associated with your facility, but now you have that in a visual graphic and visual representation where you can dissect it. You can slice and dice that data any way you need. And this isn't just something that you do. This is something we do with you. From the moment you become a client, you have a product manager that's assigned to you that helps you analyze that data. And now when you're sitting at that table with your C-suite or your clients or your team, you have the information to make those really good sustainable decisions for your facility that are going to make sure that your facility continues to grow and improve over time.